guys here. Look at my friends from America. They made it, y'all.
Hi, my name is Cindy Marvelous and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
They're already fitting in with the water on her head.
We're here until Saturday.
Till Saturday. Okay. This is also another chief.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Our very, very good friend.
Zanita.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm Harry.
Look at her with the thing. No, you got to do it without the hands now.
Oh, girl.
There you go. Get the balance.
They got strong necks or something. I don't know how they're doing.
There you go. There you go. She got it. No, guys, babies, these are for you. Wait, babies, these are for you guys. Ay, ay, ay. Huh? This is for the...
We are expecting friends from TikTok from the States that wanted to help with some donations to the orphanage. I told them no, it's okay, but they insisted. They said they wanted it to look nice for our new friends.
Young boys and girls waiting for our visits to clean up the place for us. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Bring it here for them, yes.
Oh.
Where's the bag of rice and stuff?
I think they already took the rice.
They took the rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. Did he take the rice? Hello. Oh, you put it up there.
Okay, come guys. Come.
What? You know, one time now. Oh?
Huh?
You bring it everything.
Yes. Okay. So this is Pastor Daniels. Pastor Daniels, these are my friends. We're meeting everyone all together. So this is Pastor Daniels, and he is one of the pastors that is in charge of the By His Grace Bible Ministry. It's also an orphanage and a rehab center. Okay? So please introduce yourself. Shannon.
That's nice to meet you.
She's the one that reached out to me.
You're welcome to Ghana. Cape Coast.
This is Casey. Hi, my name is Casey. Nice to
Okay,
meet you, sir.
okay. You're welcome to Ghana.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Zanita.
Zinida, oh,
Yes.
great name. You're welcome to Ghana. Yeah.
Tanya.
Chania.
Tanya.
Okay,
Yeah.
great name. And I've never heard it before.
And
you never heard it?
the ladies brought, you guys, these are your gifts. Thank you very much. They brought them all these things for you all.
For the offer. May God richly bless you.
God may you.
Thank you. For what you've done. Your labor shall not
Yes,
be in
yes,
vain.
yes, yes.
In the Lord. Amen.
There's one bag
you,
that
thank
has
you,
some
thank
stuff with mine. Wait a minute. This is my mom, and this is Pop. These are our friends. They know you from TikTok. Hi, baby, come. Where's your sister? Ah, this is the quiet one. She's very skeptical of everyone. She don't really talk that much. But the other one, say hi, wave. She ain't about that life. She ain't about that star life. Come here, mama. Come here, Prissy. Come here. Say hello. Say hello. She's more outgoing.
Meet the twins from the orphanage.
So much. You have no idea how much this means to them. And we appreciate you all so much. Y'all are so beautiful. Welcome, Aquaba. You know what Aquaba means? Welcome, Aquaba. And you all say Medasi.
Aquaba. We say Madonna.
Medasi, thank you. Yes. I tell you, she's little Miss Thing. She little Miss Thing. What did they say? Pasta's on his way? He's coming? He's far? Y'all spray yourselves? You did? Okay, I forgot to spray myself. I just went in the house.
That you can say is thank you. Right? It's God that rewards. Right.
In all that you have done, God has seen it.
Right.
And God does not owe human being. But I can owe you with thanksgiving. By God, cannot owe anybody. So you have done it for God. That you have done it for Him. We pray that all that you have brought, the water and everything, God also will water you. Nothing will lack upon life. Thank God. We appreciate it from deep inside our hearts.
And I know He appreciates what you're doing.
Yes, absolutely.
And we see the appreciation. We see it. You know?
Yes, I'm sure that's how it works. How long has this been established? When was it established?
Okay, for the Salvation Care Center has been existing for 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. But first of all, we are operating a rehab center. We are moving by phases. So we started with a rehab center, purely rehabilitating addicted people. Then later we add the children.
Okay.
So adding the children is just a year now.
Okay.
So, but the whole center has been existing for 4 years. So we started with rehabilitating addicted people of different characters, both ladies and men. Some also we send them to go and learn trade. Have successfully picked them from those places. They have completed, by God's grace, 3 years. We completed last 2 years. Last week, we did a graduation. So now we are believing God to at least help her to establish a home.
Wow. That's amazing.
So the men also, some also are fully transformed. Some also now is teaching. One of them has got employment as a teacher. Also been addicted for almost about 15 years in drugs. By the grace of God, it's now fully transformed into the society that is teaching now.
Can you imagine that? That's the difference.
That is what God is helping us to do.
Yes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Carrying out His mission.
So in America, if you didn't like relapse, he would probably just be somebody else in the corner somewhere saying, I used to be a drug addict, that's it. But here, he comes back so good that he could actually go back to school and teach children and stuff. In America, he would not be allowed to teach. After, you know what I mean? After. So I said to him, I was talking to him the other day, and I said to him, upon teaching, when you see a child going astray, if you can't help him by yourself, at least drag somebody in to help that child as well. Don't let him go as far as you did the first.
The old saying, it takes a village. Yeah.
Right. So.
And this
Have
is
babies ever been able to like reunite with their family or?
Yes, some have reunited, but they will be here for 2 years before we reunite with them. But once in a while, they go and visit them because they were rejected.
Yeah.
So some of them also, we took them to Kofodia to reunite with their family. But at least now they are reunited with their family.
Yeah.
Okay.
And before you, thanks, Pastor. That's true. And one more person joined the group while we were busy talking, and that's our friend Barry turned family too. These ladies brought gifts, you know, they are Cindy's friends on TikTok and they wanted to help the cause. So this is our friend and family Barry. We sort of all came to Ghana at the same time.
Oh,
they were a little bit before us.
A little bit before you.
Yes.
Wow.
He's also
And I'm also a Jamaican. Ghanaian Jamaican.
I didn't get it on camera. Now it is Shannon's birthday. We're gonna do that again. One more again. It's her birthday on Tuesday. Aquaba, Miss Shannon. Yes. Aquaba. Happy birthday.
But I feel 16.
You look 16.
Oh, Mr. T. soups. Add it still. The other thing is that we can.
Maybe put the waters them on top of each other.
And carry it one.
We want to thank you ladies so much.
Supporting to a good cause. Since we all become family, we all support. And you know, it is good. God love a cheerful giver. And you give to get. You give to receive. Yeah? Some people would say a giver is a pauper, but they are wrong. A giver will always be blessed. God love a cheerful giver. So he makes room in order for you to give. If you have $100 in your hand and you hold it tight like this, you can never receive $10,000 because you hold that 100 so tight, you won't release to receive. But I would say God bless you. Thank you.
Amen.
And happy birthday.
I also want to say that I reached out to friends at home and I told them what I was doing, and I wanted to make sure we had enough for all the kids to have a bed. So I asked friends to donate. So it wasn't just me that came up with the funds for the beds. I had friends and family that also wanted to donate as well. So I just wanted to thank them so that you guys know it wasn't just me, it was a collective effort because, you know, we really wanted to come and provide beds. When Cindy said that there were not any, I wanted to make sure everyone had it. So they came together and they did not hesitate to donate. So.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Let me see if I have the list of everybody. But it was Ashanti, it was Sophia, it was Lee, it was my Aunt Shirley, my cousin Melita, my friend Deshawn, my friend Gigi, Ashanti, Lee. I hope I didn't miss anyone. Tashette, Jasmine. So I think that's everyone. If I forgot you, you know, I do apologize. But thank you guys so much for.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
And so you guys will see it on our
YouTube, all of them. I'll post it and I'll tag you.
Thank you for having me.
You, guide you as you run back to Accra and all your endeavors. It's my prayer that everything will be successful. Wish you happy birthday in advance and we hope to celebrate with you on TikTok.
Thank you guys. We love you so much. Pops?
You guys had gotten here early. No, I thought you were done. I was just going to tell them personally, wish you guys had gotten here early and we could have done something for the day. We could have made something out of it for you guys. But we understand that you had something more important as your mission and you wouldn't have known that we could have hosted you tremendously.
Yes.
Food, and you guys are sharing.
Yes.
Next time.
Yes.
So next time it will be.
Yes. We like to eat.
Yes.
She would like to eat too.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes. We're in good company.
And my brother likes to play pool.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
40 and fabulous. Yes, honey.
She'd be like, nah,
Wow. Thank you. We appreciate it. We go outside and take pictures with the kids.
Okay, yes.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.
God bless you as well.
I'm so glad.
Thank you.
Yes. Come, Pastor.
This is salvation.
Future organization, rehabilitation, drugs and alcoholic and help them. And these are some of the people. They are not here. Just unblock them. I put one small one for them.
This isn't what I did see the first time. This wasn't what I did see the first time.
Okay, for now they are resting in the other side, but this is the best one to do it for them.
Oh, okay.
That's what I want to do. This is the place one to fix it for them.
Good morning, honey. How are you? I am good.
Yes.
Let me see, Pops.
When we finish, all of them will be here.
Okay. And the roof. No, it have holes. It have holes. Let's see them. Yeah. And the walls and my stuff. Where's the Pops? And the other room where they're at now is in the front.
What is this small?
It's smaller than here?
Yes, it's small.
Okay.
I will do it. I just do it that it's screening the area.
Right.
It will be an apartment.
We just want to thank these ladies for coming by and being so amazing. They are strangers that are now family, and we love them. This is what it's about. If you would like to help, email me at cindymarvelous@gmail.com. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.